Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to take a look in the box of the Komkaer 8-in-1 3.1 USB-C hub. Let's go ahead and see actually what's in the box. So when you get it, it's like this. It's a non-branded box, just cardboard. But they got a nice little carrying pouch, and we all know how much I love those carrying pouches. You have that little getting started guide. You see this is Komkaer USB-C 3.1 multi-port hub. Lots of different features on this. It's an 8-in-1 warranty support. Talks about your different features here. HDMI port up to 1080p. VGA output, is up to 1080p. HDMI resolution is up to 4K at 30 hertz. And then you have a bunch of different other ports, including like a LAN adapter, an SD card reader. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look and see actually what's in here. So that's that right there. Open it up. Pretty nicely wrapped here. Sorry for all the cuts on my hand there. So there it is. Nice finish on it. Says Komkaer on it. It's about the size of probably about the size of a normal cell phone. A little bit thicker, of course, or one of those bigger battery, portable battery backups. So on the USB connector, we have a little protector on it. That's pretty cool. USB-C right there, and then we have our different ports. So there's nothing listed on the bottom or the top that say what the different ports are, but you should be able to figure it out. So right here we have HDMI, we have our USB, that's an SD card reader. That looks like another USB-C right there. VGA out, as well as our LAN. So a lot of really cool features right here for an 8-in-1. These are really cool. I've used another style that had only 4 connectors on it that I needed for converting video, and it worked great. So I'm really looking forward to testing this out, especially with the LAN connector and the SD card reader. This seems to have everything that one would ever need. 8-in-1 is really cool. So that's what's in the box of the Komkaer USB-C 3.1 multi-port hub. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.